For years, I've dreamed of a subtle refresh. The boutique in West Runton made that dream a reality. Their Botox treatments expertly smoothed my fine lines, no dramatic changes, just a naturally enhanced me. It was quick, easy, virtually painless, and I even managed to fit it in during my lunch break. I feel so much more confident and radiant now. The improvement is so subtle, no one suspects a thing. Just smoother, healthier-looking skin. Book a consultation at the Boutique in West Runton, where expert care meets stunning results.